Yes. Good morning, good morning. No, I'm a little bit early, about 3 minutes early. I'm supposed to start 7:30. So, yeah. Um, I don't know. All right, so let me make the announcement while I'm here. Um, I want to go live Mondays and Fridays, 7:30 to 8, and then 8:30 to 9. Why the Trump man them so evil, man? Yeah. Alright, well, hold on there. Did I carry that? Yeah, man, I did. Alright, so, yeah, yeah. So I'm going to, again, start 7:30. So I'm just wait. Just wait till 7:30. Just wait. Oh, you know what I need to do? I never turn on my hotspot. I did not turn on my hotspot, so now I'm going to be able to use the other phone for doing what I want to do. You know, I don't want to car crash while I do my life, you know. Oh, look at that. Yeah, man, the Monday morning traffic start. Monday morning traffic start, man. Alright, so, yeah, that was a video I was working on yesterday. This thing about, I was factorizing, this right here. Now, the ironic thing is that some of the questions them what we need is in that book right here. You know what? Come on, man. What am I do with this thing? Would be nice if I could find it. Alright, so okay, found it. Let me turn on this tablet, you know. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, so let me say it again. The aim is for me to do these at the same times, right? So 7:30 to 8 and then 8:30 to 9. So that way if you miss the first one you can catch the second, right? That's basically what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to be consistent, yeah? So wait. This was the I just remember something. Alright. So let me show my face somewhat. Right? Somewhat. What am I doing with my eraser then now? What have I done with the eraser, man? Listen, it's early morning thing, you know, man. You just have to make up your mind for this, you know. Alright, cool. So, for my eraser. So I apologize. I don't have anybody monitoring the live with me. So I probably need somebody to do that. Yeah. Need somebody to do that. Beggars can't be choosers, so I guess when I'm famous enough, you know, I'll have people, you know, fighting to do it. I'm gonna do my other marker them. What have I done with them? What have I done? Alright. Yeah, I will probably do this. I never post this video yet. I'm supposed to. I stay recording too often. Like, I just record, and I can't upload as fast as I make these videos. Let me start with something that people familiar with. So we'll go back to them madness here. Where we get questions like this. Alright, so I had my eraser. I know I don't know where it is. What do we do with it? I literally just took it out. Oh, found it again. Alright. So we'll come back to this. Yeah, so we'll come back to that. So whatever. I'm literally going in order. Right? I'm going in order. So probably should have been more over here. And I divide that by what? By 12.6. Something like that. Alright. Now obviously the lazy way out is to use the calculator, right? That's the alright, I was checking. Okay, so yeah. Alright. So to make your life a little bit easier, pretend that these decimal points are not here, right? So just right? I want to see how much of the okay, so you can see this section here. So alright, good. I just want to see how much of the board I'm in so that I can write something over here. Alright. So I don't know about anybody else, but you know, when I multiply, let me do something about that. So let me see. I have this, and I go add this to itself, right? So 7 plus 7, that's a 14, carry 1, 16 plus 1 is 17, right? 10 plus 1 is 11, and then 8 plus 1 is 9, right? So we'll go to the timetable for this. Add this to this, we're going to have a 1, 15 plus 1, 16, 6 plus 1, 7, and then this will be 13. This will be 8, 14, 12 plus 1, 13, and then this will be 8, 1 here. So 7 plus 8, 15, 12 plus 1, 13, and then the 1 plus 8 is 9. This is going to be 22. Right? Go again. 7 plus 5, we have 12. 11 plus 1, 12. 14 plus 1, 15. 6 plus 1, 7. And then of course, plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, I will actually check to see if we can see all of that. Yeah, we can see that. We can see that. Yeah. Okay, I will try to invite people as guests in the next live. I don't think I will have the time to multitask this time around. Right? Alright, so 7 plus 2, that's 9. 8 plus 2, 10. So 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 2 plus 1 is 3. Don't know why I said that. Alright. 9 plus 7 is 16. 8 plus 1, 9. Then of course we have 6 here. 32 plus 4 is 36. So we have that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 2 more to go. Alright. Or you could stop at 9, but whatever. We want to see if we do this properly. 7 plus 6, we have 13. 17 plus 1 is 18. 11 plus 1 is 12. 1 plus 10 is 11. Right. And then finally now, let's see if this gives us what we're looking for. We're supposed to have 4, 5, 8, 7, 0. So let's see. So we have a 0 here. 16 plus 1, 17, right? 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. And then 4 plus 1, that is, yeah. Alright, so again, double checking to see if all of that, I want to see if all of that fits on the board. Alright, good, yeah. Alright, good. Alright. So, this is how I get around the problem of multiplying, right? Because this way now, I'm not guessing, right? Let me see how much space I'm working with now. Alright, good. How about with amount of space? Alright. So, multiply by the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I can just put this number here, 36696, right? So 696. Here we go. Now let me stay on the safe side and put a 0 here and 2 zeros down here. Right? So let me do that. So before I continue, let me do that first. Right? Alright. So we have that. Now we multiplied it by 8, now we went to 9, right? So we're done with the 8, we're going to 9. 9 is where? 9 is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That number is 41283. So let's put 283 and of course 41 right there. Right. Now, good part about this now is that when we're multiplying this number here by 1, we just put back the number, right? So 4, 5, 8, 7. Alright, so let me just. Alright, so now the only thing left to do is to write the answer now, right? So we have 6 plus 0. We have a 6. 9 plus 3. We have a 12. 1. Alright. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 1. That's 22. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 8, 18. And then 1. Now I'm doing this without calculator, obviously. So, you know. This is just practice to do this without a calculator, yeah? So 5 plus 5, that's 10. Alright. So our number is 908,226. Alright, so that's what that is. Yeah. Now, if you want it to be precise now, you're jumping back how many times? 1 time, 2, 3 times. Right? So therefore the result of multiplying this by this, you jump back 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then that will come right here. Right? Yeah. 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 So that would solve the numerator problem. What you have to know is divide this now by 12.6. So that's the second part of it. Right? So let me see the time now. Yeah. So I'm not wasting any time here. Although I could just, I'm actually going to, take pictures of what I do. And also, again, I need to be more vigilant about the WhatsApp channel. So, yeah, I'll figure out how to share the WhatsApp channel to everybody. Really, no? Come on, guys. Yeah. Really? I can't believe this right now, Ah. Yeah, look at that. Look at how long that took a while ago. Dear God. Hold on. What? Yeah, this is, yeah. Like, it looked like my tablet just wake up, clearly. Because, I mean, seriously, man, I try to take a picture of the board, you know. Why may I tell you this? Oh my God. Well, that took about 19 years. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I mean, I wanted to use my phone, but there are times when the tablet take a much broader picture of what's going on. Alright, good. So, got all of that. So, our number is, so let me just put it up here then. That new number that I have, let me just put it up here. So, that number is 908.226, right? And now we're going to divide this number by 12.6. So again, without the calculator business, yeah? Okay. I'm thinking the easiest way to do this. Right? So, let me write them as fractions so I can see something, right? So if I do this, yeah, alright, cool. So first you have that. So again, let me just Alright, good. Alright. So that means I'm going to flip that now. So this will become 10 over 126, right? And the sign will change to a multiply sign. So this gives you a better idea Again, if you're doing it without a calculator, then yeah, this is a good way to approach that. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to divide this number by 126, and then we're going to jump back 2 times after we do that. Right? So yeah. So let us actually try that. So let us divide 908226 by 126. Right? And again, after that, we're going to jump back. We're going to divide that number by 100 after everything is done. Yeah? So let's remember to do that, because sometimes even I forget to do it. Yeah? So that is what we're going to be doing next. Alright. So I'm going to get rid of this one now. We're going to need the space, and hold on there. Let me just take a look at the screen again. Take a look at the screen again. Alright, good. We have enough space. Alright. So let me write them in blue so that we don't get confused. So this will be 252. Right? 6 plus 2, 8. This is 7. 3, 78. 14. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Then we have, well, 0 carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then now 6 plus 0, 6. 2 plus 3, 5. 6 plus 1, 7. Then this is 12. 7 plus 1, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 3 more to go. Alright. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 plus 9, 10 again. 6 plus 8, 14. 2 plus 1 is 3. And we have 11, 34. And then lastly, we're going to have this here. 0 carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6. This will be 1260. Alright? So let me. Alright, good. Just making sure we have all the space. What look? Sure. Hold on there. Alright. Let me take a picture of it and then rewrite it, because you know it is leaning, right? Yeah, it's a lean. Alright, so let me write it a little bit straighter on that, yeah? So I have 882 right here. 1008, 1134, and then 1260. Right? Alright, good. So we're gonna try to do this really fast now. Alright, underline the 9. 9 is smaller than everything, so we can't buy nothing in the store. $90, same problem. Can't buy nothing in here. So put a 0 there. Now we have $908. $908 bigger than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So let us put the 7 here. And then now what do you add to this number to give you 908? Now, to answer that question now, 82 plus 18 will give me 100, right? So the 1 plus this 8 will give you 900 when you add 18 to that. So if you want 8 more, add 18 to 8. 18 plus 8 is going to be 26. Right? That's going to be 26. So we're going to take that 26, drop it behind the 908, so it's going to look like 262, right? So let's have a look at 262. Alright. So 262, that is bigger than, alright, let me, no, we're gonna move this. I need it same way, so we could just, yeah. Hopefully it's still visible. Alright. So this is the final thing we need to do. Alright, 262 is bigger than this right here and this right here. So that means that we'll have 2. So 2 will go right beside this. Right? Now 252 plus what gives you 262, that's going to be, I mean we could write it here, but yeah, you know. Yeah, I really wish I wrote it better. So long story short, it's supposed to look like this, yeah? Right? So therefore, the 10 now goes behind the 262, 10 will go right here, right? So that's 102. Now 102 is smaller than everything here. So we're going to have to put a 0 right there, yeah? Now we'll move from 102 to 1026. So 1026 is bigger than what? So it's bigger than 1008, this, that, this. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 up here. Alright. What do you add to 1008 to get to 1026? That is 18, right? So let me just write that. So that's going to be 18, right? That means I'm going to put some additional zeros. Oh God. Alright, let's see if that can actually fit. I don't know. Let me see if I can move this back a little bit. So I'll go check and see. Alright, we're almost. So let me see this now. Really? Selfie mode, people. There we go. Alright, yeah. Alright, good. So we have enough space. Alright, good. So the number I need to move now is 18. So let me put 18 after the what? No, sir. Why me have that's 10,026. Let me apologize for that, please, because wow, yeah. I don't know what that was. Sorry. So 18 goes behind this number, right? 18 go behind here, yeah? So that's 180. 180 is bigger than only one thing, right? So we just go put a 1 right here, right? What we'll add to 126 to get the 180, that's going to be, let's see, 4 plus this give you 130, 50 plus 30, so 50 plus 4, 54, so let's put 54 here. Now that's 540. 540 here, right? 4 of them. So we're going to put 4 up here. And basically your remainder is 36, right? So 360, the next thing would have been, the next digit after that would be 2, right? Now I don't think we need to go past here, right? So we have 7,208.14, right? Now if that is the result of this divided by this, if we divide this number by 100, then, yeah? So the answer we are looking for looks something like this. Looks something like 72.0814. And just for good measure, let's just put the 2. I mean, it's if we added the other 0, it will be there for sure. So yeah. Now I'm actually going to do it in a calculator just to actually confirm it. So let's do that. So we have 908.226 divided by 12.6. Yeah. 72.0814 followed by a 2. Yep. Yeah. I'm not sure if you can actually see it. So, I don't know. I'll just put it here. If you can't see it, maybe. I don't know. Alright? I don't know. Yeah, so we made good time. So this is how you would do that without a calculator, yeah? Right? So I'm going to go live again at, remind me of the time again. I go 7:30 to 8, so the next time will be 8:30 to 9. Yeah. Yeah, we make good time. So I know this was convoluted, but again, this is what happens if you don't have a calculator. And if you can do it without a calculator, then you're governed. If you can do this fast enough, it takes practice to obviously, if you're under exam conditions, you probably want to do this as lightning fast as possible, and then you have to be careful, because I could not make a whole heap of mistake with this, because after getting this number, the 908.226, you have to now divide that by the 12.6. So yeah. So you know what? I go download this. I go re-upload the clips of this live, so that way, if anything happens, you can always go back over this. So 1 minute till we're done. Right? 1 minute till we're done. So yes, we just make it to the end. So the next time we'll go 8:30 to 9. So yeah, man. So 7:30 to 8, 8:30 to 9. So if you want to jump on again, we'll start again at 8:30 to 9.